Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So you know that Blast, which is a layer 2 protocol, just launched, and one of the first and one of the biggest NFTs on Blast, which is the Blast Penguins, uh, did mint out like just now. I didn't have a whitelist or any of these, but I just wanted to show like the first, and it's not the first NFT, but it's one of the first NFTs. So you can see it just got like fully sold out uh, 23 minutes ago. So there's like only 3,333 penguins, and I just wanted to show you the opportunity where you can make money. So it's currently trading at Element NFT marketplace, and Blur also announced that they will be adding Blast on April. So I'll just show you my NFT. So this is the marketplace, and so I didn't have a whitelist or anything like that, but I was able to buy one when it got sold out. So let's see. I have if you press on this one, details. Sorry for the connection. Yeah, so I have brought this NFT for like 24 minutes ago for like $614, and the floor price is, or else I'll say I brought it for 0.18 in Ethereum. So if you go back to the back to this one, you can see that the floor price is already 0.28. So guys, if you want to buy NFTs from Blast, you can use this website, which is rhino.fi, and you can connect your MetaMask account and just press the amount that you want to change, and select Blast as the chain, and then you can simply change the amount, and they are taking like they are having a promotion for like 0 fees. So only the MetaMask fee will apply to this transaction, and it was so like fast. It changed from Ethereum to Blast within like 1 minute, and you can take this opportunity and like buy some. It's not only Blast Penguins, there are a few more NFTs coming up. I'll update some videos for you, upload some videos for you about the upcoming airdrops and upcoming NFTs of Blast ecosystem. So I'll upload this quickly, and you guys can take the opportunity to like bridge for Blast and take profits from NFTs. Good luck, and I'll see you with another video. Thank you.